Letter B, if x is 0, what is y? What is y when x is 0? So 0 what? 0, 3. What is y when x is 1? So go to 1. What's y? 2. What is y when x is 2? So go to 2. Y is 1. So that's how you would think about these. What is y when x is 0? What is y when x is 1? What is y when x is 2? How can you use function notation to represent a function? You just replace f of x with y. Those mean the exact same thing. Y is f of x. It says, how are they standard notation and function notation similar? Well, they have the same expression that they're equal to. How are they different? You replace f of x with y to make them different. Okay, let's look at 6 and 7. I know that this will be a review for you. You learned how to do this in 8th grade. It says, use the intercepts to graph. So I'm going to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept. To find the x-intercept, that's when you substitute 0 in for y. To find the y-intercept, that's when you substitute 0 in for x. So I use this equation, negative 8x plus 12 times 0. That, of course, is 0. So negative 8x equals 24. X is negative 3. That's the x-intercept. Substitute 0 in for x to find your y-intercept. That goes away. 12y equals 24. Y is 2. So the y-intercept is 2. Let's graph using those. The x-intercept is negative 3, so I'll go on the x-axis to negative 3 and put a dot. The y-intercept is 2, so I'll go up 2 and put a dot and draw my line. For number 7, the x-intercept, remember that's where y is equal to 0. The x-intercept is 2. To find the y-intercept, that's where x is 0. Y-intercept is 4. To graph these, x-intercept of 2, y-intercept of 4, and draw your line. And I missed right there. Sorry about that. Draw your line. Okay, the last slide, I do believe, is this one here. The school band is selling sweatshirts and baseball caps to raise $9,000 to attend a band competition. Sweatshirts cost $25 each and baseball caps cost $10 each. The equation 25x plus 10y equals 9,000 models this situation where x is the number of sweatshirts sold and y is the number of baseball caps sold. Find and interpret the intercepts. It's going to be, I believe that's right. Let me know if I'm wrong, but the x-intercept is 36. The y-intercept is where x is 0. I do expect to see that step. Okay, now to interpret that. What this means is to make $9,000, if you sell 0 baseball caps, I believe that's baseball caps. If you sell 0 baseball caps, you have to sell 36 sweatshirts to break even. So the x-intercept. To make $9,000, if you sell no sweatshirts, you must sell 900 baseball caps. Okay, let's see. It says if 258 sweatshirts are sold, how many baseball caps are sold? Then you would substitute 258 in for X. So if 258 sweatshirts are sold, then 265 baseball caps are sold. Okay, I'd like for you to graph that. Go by 100s. Okay, here's one solution, 200, 400. So one solution is, this is for letter C. $200 sweatshirts and 400 baseball caps sold will give you $9,000. The other solution, a guesstimate would be 320, 100. But it did work. First I did 300 and 100. And when I did 300 and 100, I got 7,500 plus 1,000, which is 8,500. So I knew I needed 500 more. How many more baseball caps do I need to sell? No, sorry, sweatshirts. Do I need to sell to make $500? Well, that would be 20. So that's why I chose 320. Oh, you can't see that. That's why I chose 320, 100. Because that would give me 8,000 here plus 1,000 here, which those two together is 9,000. So I kind of used this as my guide, thinking it might be 300, 100. But when I came up short, and you can tell when you look here, when I came up short, I knew I needed to add some more to my number of sweatshirts to make it work out to be 9,000. So that's where I got the 320 and the 100. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful day, and if you have any questions, let me know.